Welcome to PhilAmerican Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make a simple device which is made out of this cardboard. This device will help you throughout your daily routine. Stay with us and I'll show you what this will turn into. We are going to make a cell phone and iPad holder. Here are the following things that you will need for this project. You will need a ruler, a pen or pencil, a pair of scissors, and cardboard. Now, I cut this cardboard off of the box that I had to make this particular project. I turned the cardboard over to the straight edge, and that will be where I would take my first measurement from. This will be the base for the cell phone holder. I measure out a width of probably 3.5 inches wide. That would probably be right around there. 3.5. Then I go out another 3.5 here. Top. Now I know that this is square, so we can also measure out 3.5 here and 3.5 inches here. And what I will do is draw a line. This will be our cutting edge. I had selected cardboard that it was 1/8 inch thick. And where I placed a line on the cardboard, this will be the bending point for the base of this project. Simple is draw a line straight up to the point. Now make that a 45-degree angle. I would say go up about 4.5 inches to this particular spot right here. And then this is going to be almost 1.25 inches. And this will come out to be 2 inches, about 2.5 inches on the edge. Now, 45-degree angle is what this line is right here. 45-degree angle. That means that your cell phone will sit at about a 45-degree angle, up or sideways, depending on how you want to view your particular device. I just added an extra wing to stabilize your phone holder. Put the wing on last. So once again, you could take your blade, knife here, and you could score it by following the line. And you could do the same thing with scissors as well. To make the wing, use one piece of your cardboard, cut it 1 inch by 3 inches. And to get the exact measurement, place it against your cardboard frame and trace the outline of that. Once you have the slot cut out, slide your cardboard wing into the slot, and that will help it balance. There is your cell phone holder. So you can make this for an iPad. Just make the dimensions a little bit bigger. And we want to paint sides of this